It's May 2026. A man sitting in front of his business, not a struggling business, not a failing business, but a business that has generated more than 100 crores of revenue and 25 crores of pure profit. A business that taught 5 lakhs people in India, and he chose to kill it, not because he don't have enough money, not because he had to, not because the market told him. He killed it because he saw something that was coming, something that most of us are not taking till now seriously. And when someone asked him, "Is it because of AI?" he replied with just one word: huge.
Before I tell you what he did, let me tell you who he was. Ankur Varipo grew up in Delhi, did his graduation in physics from Hindu College, one of the best colleges of India. Brilliant student, got a full scholarship for a PhD in astrophysics at Michigan State University, America. He quit mid PhD, flew back to India, did an MBA from ISB, one of the most prestigious business schools in whole Asia, built Groupon India as its founding CEO, then co-founded Nearby, Real Money, Real Scale, Real Startup. And then in 2020, with no jobs lined up, no salary, no safety net, he decided to be a content creator. People thought that he was crazy. Today, 7 million subscribers and 16 million followers all over the internet, with 3 best-selling books. This is the man who has walked away from enormous things before. He has reinvented himself 3 times, not once. Now it's 2020. India is in lockdown. Everyone is at home. Schools closed, flights stopped, and everything just shut down. The entire country is sitting on a chair, staring at the screen, nowhere to go. Fariku is at his desk. He has a massive audience. Millions of people on LinkedIn alone who reads each word he writes on LinkedIn. People who trust him. But here's a problem. He have zero direct income from his audience. So he tries an experiment, a small one. He organizes a webinar in which he will be teaching a small finance. He announces a webinar, a live session on personal finance. And the pricing, he left it to the people. You could pay 0 rupees, 500 rupees, or 1000 rupees, anything you want. He left it completely open. And result, it helped. It worked. People showed up. People paid. And people left feeling genuinely helpless. So then he ran another one. Then he started charging fixed prices and finally launching his courses. Courses on topics like personal finance, productivity, freelancing, communication, and also on content creation. And slowly, what started as one man's experiment in lockdown became Veda. Now, let me give you the numbers because this is what actually matters. Over 5 years, 5 lakh people enroll. That is 500,000 people, half a million Indians, learning personal finance from a man on his laptop. And what about the total revenue generated? It was 100 crore rupees from an idea that started with pay whatever you want. And profit, it was a big 25 crore rupees. Real profit, clean profit, no VC, no investor, just pure profit. Just his face, his knowledge, and his audience trust. By 2024, the courses business was single handedly generating a profit of 9.56 crores. Still grey. The machine was running. He decided to blow the whole thing up